Welcome back, Custopians. You ready to tantalize your taste buds? Shall we begin? Do you have a morning routine? Let me tell you about mine. I get up with the sun. I make a coffee the size of my head, make one for my boyfriend as well, then I ship him off to work. And after that, just between you and I sneak in a good hour or so of video games. I think it's my equivalent of morning yoga. Then it's a quick cleanup, and I'm off to the gym. And why am I telling you all this? Because besides a little protein shake, not much of a breakfast guy. But you know, you want to make any meal more fun? Turn it into cake form. Chipotle hot. And when it comes to breakfast, what's more fun than pancakes? Well, let me tell you, these ain't your mama's pancakes.
The biggest pancake in the world weighed 6,600 pounds and was 50 feet in diameter. I had to buy a really big plate, and it took me 3 days to eat it.
Wild rice is cool. And you know, when all the moving parts of a recipe start to come together, one of my favorite moments in life. You know, I recently took up pottery, and I'm getting pretty good. That's right, he's double certified, chef and potter. But when I first took a big lump of clay, turned it into a vase, it gave me that same feeling when I first took eggs, flour, turned it into a dough, and then big, beautiful strands of pappardelle. It's that whole feeling of creating something out of nothing. You know, Gusto's on in 160 different countries, and I bet y'all got all different kinds of pancakes. So do me a favor, send us a picture of yours. I'd love to see it. And bam! Now, how about that? Now you know what these nice grown-up pancakes need. A nice grown-up dipping sauce. And you know, just whatever you have in your garden. Just a little spritz of sunshine. And you know what? I got red pepper and green onion in the pancake, so in it goes. Now that's dipping sauce. Hey, is that Liza Minnelli? Wild rice pancakes. You go chill out, take in some fantabulous commercials. I'm just gonna get everything all cleaned up. I mean, I don't actually clean up.
You got that right.
My goodness, guys.